Okay, uh, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we continue where we ended last lesson. Today we look on last lecture, last tutorial. We are looking on the home tab, file tab. Then we're going to look on interface. Those are the quick access toolbar. We have this display. This display layouts, and this you have zoom, then you have vertical scroll bar, and you have downward scroll bar. Then we have those is the tabs. You see that those are the tabs. We see that is the ribbons here in that area, and below clipboard, font, paragraph, styles, and others is a group. So the last tutorial we see the font and those ribbons, and then now we continue about the paragraph, then go into the style, then I finished the clipboard. Okay, so today we see that in a paragraph we have consistent different ribbons. This is the ident, okay, bullet, this is the bullet, this is the numbering. In terms of numbering, can you choose which you have numbering, can define numbering library. We have that's is current list. What we need is about multi-level list, and either be this one, it can be this one and this one, depend on your suggestion. And also you have ident, you have decrease ident and increase ident. Also we have the sort. The sort we have descending and ascending order of the text. Then we have this is a hide or show, in which is we need to see those space, or you need to see those the command of the tabs, which is a space behind on the text. When you have the left, alignment left, align center, align right, and justify. Those are the lines or the weight, arrangement or align of the weight. Then we have this is the line spacing or paragraph spacing. Okay, then we have shading. The shading, you need to shade in the paragraph, okay. Then we have that is border. So the border, we have consist different way of the border, we shall see now. Okay, so let's assume that you have writing the message. For example, the master of English. For example, this is a word. So we are using this zoom or place the control, then scroll to create the view. Okay, also zoom. Then after that you select this one. So we start with this. This is about a bullet. So how your words are bulleted. Okay, so we have this. For example, press the Control C. We need to copy, enter, so download, paste. Okay, then if you need this in terms of a bullet, then you have this. You have select this, and then you can choose the type of bullet you want. If you don't want the ribbon, so we click none. Okay, so for example I need this one bullet. Okay, so this is a bullet. How can I apply the bullet in terms of the list in the listed word? Okay, or this tick or this, depending on one. And then you can change about the font, for example 12, or what was style font, Times New Romans. Okay, that is the way we are choosing the bullet. Also we have chosen in terms of numbering, the Romans in terms of number, in terms of style, which is, so we have different kind of numbering style. And then we have different style which is used to be sorted. Okay, for example heading 1, heading 2, depend. If you don't need, so you can select all, then you can create a format, then the word return to its origin shell. Okay. Okay, then we continue have you need this word to be arranged at the left, so you need to select this, align to the left. If you need the center, then you place to the center. If you need it to the right, place the right. If you need it to justify, you need to click this one word. So justify, you need the word to be fit in both directions. For example, we lighting this. Okay, English. Okay, madam, this word go here. This, for example. Okay, so this word cannot be justified, so you need to select this word and then you put it into justify. So you see this word touching at the left of at the right margin and at the left margin, that is justified. But indeed, if we need to click at this right, so you start with the right, touch the right, then go to the other side, so depending on what you want. Okay, that is align text. Okay, so align text is about 4, which is left, center, right, and then we have justify. Okay, so we need to space in between those words. So first of all, we needed to select those words, then you can choose the spacing behind, the spacing between the words. So for the standard is 1.5, so you can click 1.5 and then you can see that it is normal. But we see that the different space in between because of this. When you move it, why we move it? Because it placed in the layout. Go to the layout, we see after the paragraph, after spacing of the paragraph we have 8, so you need to space in 0. Or you need, from going to home, then you can click into this group dialog, then you can see that after spacing, so you can put 0, you can put automatically 0, then you can press OK. You can see the space between the words is the same. Okay, so if you want more about the paragraph, click this, then you can see about spacing, how can ident. So ident in terms of light, I mean decrease the ident means we decrease, then we need to increase ident. So decrease, increase the ident depending on your style. Alright, so click here. Also can ident from this, from down with this one, then you can click OK. You can ident the word. Also you can sort. For example, you need to sort. Let's clear that. You have W A D W X E, no, put about A, put about C, K, K. If for example you need to sort those words, okay, so you can select that spelling, then you go to the sort. We need to sort those the text, so ascending start from the lower to the higher, then when you select descending start from the higher to the lower. So you need to start with the high for the low to the high, so you need ascending. So we click it, you can see the word arranged from ascending to the from the lower to high to high. Then we need to sort, for example, descending, and then click to see the from high to the low. That is how it's sent. Also we need to have shading. You need to want to shade in this paragraph, so you need to select this and then you can go into the shading. So you need to shade. For example, you need to shade from this. I need another one, so you can select this one, then you can select, then you can change the color according to your want. Okay, then because we told you that the font color can be differentiated, so when you select it, then you can change the color so as to clear what you see. Okay, for example, okay, depending on. So another is this border. The border, when you select this, we want the border either bottom, either top, or either left or right or no border or all the border. So when you select it, you create your border style. Okay, then that is a border. That is border. If you want it all, you can select all, then you can put all border, then you can see the border is created. Okay, that is about also okay, sorry, I forget that one. This is height. So the height you need to show what the spacing, what is the tabs. For example, when you put the spacing here, when you put tabs and then lighting, then you put tab spacing. So we need to show what is inside. Okay, so you see that error, that is talking about error, because we are taking more spacing instead of tabs. So tabs you need for spacing high, and which is equal to the word. Then if you need to spacing, then you can arrange it with this one. Okay, that is how tabs help to arrange the word well in a good order. Differ to spacing. That is a bad use of space. So that is show use for see what is long in word. Okay, that is about the paragraph. So going to the clipboard, these labels used for paste, is a format painter, is a cut or paste. Okay, so if you want this to copy, so you can select, after selecting copy, then press any point, right click, or you can use this paste it. But if you want it original, so you need to paste by selecting here, then choose what keep source formatting, merge, then keep text on. We need to keep cells formatting, then you can copy exactly what you want. So here is a different option paste. Okay, depending on your choice. That is a format pointer. The format pointer, for example, we have one selecting one word, which is this style. So we need this style to be painted to those other words. Okay, so then you're gonna go and have double click painter, then you can click, for example, this here, and select first of all, then double click painter, then after that you can click this one painter, then you can select the word, okay, you can select the word depending on formatting pointer. You can select the word according to the formatting we can see now. So you need to select here, then this is the pointer, then after selecting here it will change directly the word. Example, we need to include this, so this one selecting, then format painter, then select it, and see it change automatically. Okay, also you can take that one format pointer, then you can select all words, you can see all words change. If we need to go further away, you can see, you can look with only checking. Okay, going to the style, the last is just about the style, then go to the editing. Okay, so the style is about how you keep a word, help that to differentiate the title associated to the document. We have the header 1, we have header 2, we have header 3. Those help for creating a table of content, in which we are creating a automatic table of content. Okay, so here when we click this one point more, we need to create a style. If we want to create a new style, go to this section. When you create a style, you can create it by writing your own word. If you want a list of table, type list of table depending on it. Then you can modify if you want, modify depending on what you want. Okay, and okay, then your style is here. is created. If you don't need other listing style, so you can use the existing style, for example header one. So if you keep header one, it means to select this one. After that, you keep the header one. Then after adding this header one, now we change or we modify depending on your own choice. Let you click, then go to modify. You can change even the color, bold, font style, then the size, okay, how it will look like, okay, spacing between, okay. Then you're gonna have format, you're going to have paragraph, spacing before, and create it depend on your own choice, okay. That is how you can modify. So if you need this also, you can keep to either two, then either two can modify depending on for example this one now, this one a color, bold, italic at the light corner, okay. Then you can see those. If you want this one as header 2, it fall in the same modification in the header 2. So those are how the style is being created and how the style being used. Then go to the editing now. Editing group this. You need to find, for example, you need to find the W. So you right click, find, so type of W. Then you can see the W is here, W is here, depending on your search. If you see, you can have directly to edit now. That is about find. If you need also to replace it, you need to replace the W, then you keep to K, then you replace all, and you can see those words also, okay. You can change to the K now. See, okay. If you want to select, it can be either select all document or by pressing Control A for selecting all, depending on your own choice. Those are information about the home tab. So in another video tutorial, we shall see and looking the insert tab, then follow to the design tab, and then up to finish the tabs. Thank you for consideration. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Then make sure you subscribe in order to see the development of the YouTube channel. Thank you.